Hey guys, I'm Archie Grouse with Mega Man Websites, and today I want to talk about why you need to optimize your images for your website. Now, a lot of services will do it for you. The websites that we build for our clients actually have an automatic function that basically optimizes the images so they're not so huge. However, sometimes it changes the quality of the image. So, ideally, you're optimizing the image before you upload. And there's some key reasons why you do that. So, number one is load time. So a lot of people don't realize, but whenever you make a web page or whenever you load a web page, you're actually downloading all of the content from the host of the website and putting it onto your browser. So that's if you have a website that isn't optimized with images, and so let's say you have a gallery that has 10 images on it, and each image is a megabyte, then your computer or your internet will have to download 10 megabytes of data just to load a single page of your website. Now what's going to happen most of the time is when somebody gets to that page that's taking forever to load, they're just going to skip it. They're going to leave. They're going to assume that your website isn't optimized or it's a piece of crap, and then they're just going to take off. So you're going to lose that visitor. So you need to optimize your images, number one, for load time. Number two, and this is kind of the same thing to SEO. So your score from Google or whatever search engine you're using really depends on a bunch of different factors. One is your bounce rate. So if somebody lands on your web page and instantly leaves, that's a bounce. Now the higher your bounce rate, the worse your SEO is going to be. So Google or whatever is going to say, hey, this person went to the website, they immediately left, that must be bad content, so we're not going to rank it very well. So you just lost, potential for that one person, and then also for any people who come to your website in the future. Number three is your hosting. So when you set up a hosting account, you have a certain amount of data that you can load onto the host before you have to start paying more. So the more giant files you put on the website, the more expensive your hosting is going to be. So there's more reasons, but those are the three core reasons. What we try to tell our clients to do if they're going to be loading a lot of content is to get Photoshop. You get for $10 a month, and then what we'll do is create tutorials to show you how to optimize your images for the website. Now, typically, you're trying to get them 100 kilobytes or less. In order to do that, there's a function on Photoshop that's export for web. Legacy is what I use, but there's different ways to do it. But you basically decrease the quality in a certain way that makes it load quickly or just be a small file size, but then also maintain the quality of the image. So there's different ways to do it. We'll show you how if you're one of our clients, and then your website will load fast, your SEO will be good, and your hosting will stay affordable. So there you have it, 3 different reasons why you need to optimize your images for your website.